and its slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. Now it is the data which is given in our question. Now in the exercise 13.3, the topic of the cone is explained. That means it is our cone, and this is the radius of the cone, and this is the vertical height of the cone, and this is the slant height of the cone, and this slant height is represented by small l. Now diameter of the base is 10.5. That means it is overall it is given, which is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Slant height is 10 centimeter. That is, this height is given, which is 10 centimeter. We have to find the curved surface area. Now curved surface area for the cone is pi r l. That means pi, the value of pi is 22 upon 7. You must remember it. Now radius of the cone. This is overall 10.5. Now there is a relation of radius and diameter. Radius is equal to diameter by 2. That means when we divide by 2, we get 2 5s are 10 and 17, 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. 5.75. And slant height we have 10. Clear? Now when we solve, we get 22 into 10 into, we divide it by this, 7 8s are 56, 15, 7 2s are 14, 1, 7 1s are 7. This is approximately. When you multiply, you will get the answer of the curved surface area. Now when we multiply, we get in this way 170620, and 3 decimals are given, so this is 170.6. If you take in place of 22 upon 7 3.14, then approximately your answer will match from your textbooks. That means approximately of 165. Now this is curved surface area and this is in centimeter. We write centimeter square. So there is no, don't bother. You can either take the value of 22 upon 7 or you can either take the value of 3.14. Exercise number 13.3 and question number 2 in this video I am going to explain. Find the total surface area of the cone if its slant height is 21 meter and diameter of the base is 24 meter. With the help of this question, we also learn how to find the total surface area of cone and what is the formula we use for the total surface area of the cone. Now from this question, we have this data. Firstly, we have to make the figure of a cone. This is the figure of the cone. And again, slant height is 21 meter. So this is our slant height L, which is equal to 21 meter. Now diameter of the base, that is, it is overall 24 meter. Now radius of the base is the half of 24 meter, which is equal to 12 meter. That means we divide 24 by 2 and we get 12 meter. Now we have to find TSA. TSA means we have to find the total surface area of a cone. Now what is the formula for the total surface area of cone? Its formula is pi r L plus r. Okay, just remember this formula. Data may be anyone. Now in place of pi we write 22 upon 7. Now radius we take 12 and L plus r, that is slant height, that is 21 plus 12. Now when we write 21 upon 7 into 12 into 33. Now this may be cut, or you can cut it right over here in this way, 3.14 into 12 into 33. Now when you multiply, you will get the answer. And when we multiply, we get 1244.57. Now it is again total surface area. So for the surface area, and it is given in meter. So we write meter square. So unit of the surface area is square. If it is given in centimeter, then centimeter is square. If it is given in meter, then it is meter square. And this was second question. Name of the chapter is surface area and volume. Question number 3. Exercise number 13.3. Curved surface area of the cone is 308 centimeter square and its slant height is 14 centimeter. Find the radius of the base and total surface area of the cone. Firstly, we collect all the data and then we apply the formula. Let's see. Now, as we observe in this question, curved surface area, total surface area, everything is connected over here. We have to use both of the formula. So, firstly, I explain you curved surface area, that is CSA, total surface area, that means total surface area, TSA. The formula for curved surface area of the cone is pi r l. Okay, and formula for total surface area for the cone is pi r l plus r. Remember it. And one more formula, you please remember here. Radius is equals to diameter by 2. Okay, 3 formula must summarize. Now, it is given curved surface area is 308. That is, it is equal to 308. It means curved surface area of cone is equal to 308 centimeter square. Now, what is the formula for curved surface area? That is pi r. We equate both of them, 308. Now, value of the slant height is 14. Slant height means L. Okay, so we substitute over here. Pi means 22 upon 7. Slant height means 14 and radius we don't know is equal to 308. Okay, so we got this type of equation and from here we can easily find out the radius of the cone and which we have to evaluate in the first part of our question. Okay, so we get 22 upon 7 into 14 into r is equal to 308. We must be very careful before solving the question in the units. It is given in centimeter and it is also in centimeter, so there is no need to worry. Both the datas are in the same unit. Now radius is equal to 7 into 308 over 22 into 14. Now 7 2s are 14 and if we cut it with 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 2s are 22, 11 8s are 88. Now 2 14s are and 2 7s are 14. That means radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay. Now from here radius of the base becomes 7 centimeter. Now the second part of the question which we have to find the total surface area for the cone. Now what is the formula for total surface area for the cone? It is equal to pi r plus l. Okay. Now we substitute different values. That is 22 upon 7. Value of the radius is 7. Now here 7 plus 14. You have to put multiply over here. Okay. Now 7 and 7 get cancelled. 22 into, we have to add, that is 21. Now when we multiply, what we get, we have to solve it. We get 462 and again total surface area and unit is centimeter. So we write centimeter square.